welcome to my new apartment. Come in. Come inside. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if the audio is a little bad with this one. As you can tell, I've already moved, but it's pretty empty and echoey in here. I'm gonna try and fix it as much as I can through editing, but not gonna get from me. Anyways, during the time that I was gone, two big major things did happen. The first one was I freaking graduated college, so I am officially old. I don't go to school anymore. Like, I'm on my own now. And I also did move, which is the point of this video. But other than that, like, nothing else really happened. So for the next couple of videos coming up, I did just want to bring you guys along to my moving journey. I freaking love moving vlogs, even if it's just talking to a camera, doing nothing, or like fully edited and staged. I love a moving vlog. Like, I enjoy just like having them in the background, having a little sneak peek into someone's life. We looked at like 5 different apartments. We wanted to stay in the same area we've been, super close to the highway, so we're able to get to like downtown in like 15 to 20 minutes. There's like a good amount of stuff here and I feel comfortable in this area. For some background information, I'm now moving in with my boyfriend, so it's just gonna be us two in this apartment. And I did have 3 other roommates that I love so dearly, but I just wanted like my own space, especially with my boyfriend. I've been yapping for so long. Let's get on to the video. So welcome to my boyfriend and I's new apartment. It's our first time ever living alone together, so it's kind of exciting. And I just wanted to give you guys a little apartment tour of the place. Well, it's kind of empty. We just got the keys today, so we bought some cleaning stuff and we're gonna set up the house. It's currently May 29th right now, but we have until June 23rd to vacate our current house, so we have time to like slowly move in and clean everything. Anyways, let's get started. So over here is just a front closet. Yeah, probably have like cleaning supplies in there, nothing crazy. And then over here is the kitchen. I think this was like the main thing that we really liked about this place because we cook pretty often, and so we wanted to make sure we had enough space for everything. Over here is just a pantry area, like nothing crazy, but it's pretty big, so it's kind of nice. Like a more modern kitchen thing. I'm planning to have my little matcha corner here, and then I'm gonna take you to your left. This is the first bedroom. My boyfriend and I are making it our current office space, so if you follow me to your right, there's the washer and dryer. On the other side is the bathroom. It's pretty loud. That's my only thing I don't like about it, is the fan doesn't turn off if you turn the light on. Oh, and then this is gonna be our office space. My main thing I was looking for apartments was that it was really bright and had good natural light, because I don't want to be in a dark space. Anyways, yeah, so we'll have like our desks and stuff here, and then we have extra storage, and then this is probably where like guests will be. Probably like an air mattress or like a pull-out. I don't know. We haven't thought that far. Well, this is our dining area. Just in the corner, nothing crazy. And then on this side is our living room, which is pretty big. We're planning to have like an L Chase sectional couch here, TV there, my cat stuff there, so because she loves the windows, and then there's a balcony outside as well, so pretty nice. And here is our main bedroom. So this is where we'll be sleeping, and big windows again. And then over on this side behind the door is our like walk-in closet. It's literally freaking massive. Come here. It's really big, and I think it'll be able to handle all the clothes that we own, so fingers crossed. And then on this side is our bathroom. It looks almost identical to the other one, but yeah. So don't mind like everything. We just got like the internet stuff. But I have plans for this apartment. I don't know how well I'll be able to execute them because I need to be realistic with how much everything costs. But yeah, I'll bring you guys on the journey as we move in, and I'm just really excited. Yay! Okay, bye.